Mathematics Analysis and Approaches, Paper 2, Timezone 1, HL, November 2025. This is a question 2, which is of 4 marks. The question talks about a group of 10 members, and I need to choose 7 to make a committee. And in that committee, I need to have a chairperson, a vice-chairperson, and a treasurer. And after that, I need to choose 4 additional members to complete the committee. This question can be done in 2 different ways. I'll talk about one way to solve this question, which is using the fundamental principle of counting. So I need to fill, let's say, 7 boxes. And out of these 7 boxes, and I'm fixing one chairperson. So if I have 10 members, I need to choose one chairperson. So that can be done in 10 different ways. And then a vice chairperson can be done in 9 different ways, because one has already been chosen as the chairperson, so 9 people are remaining. And if 2 people have already been chosen, there are 8 more people, and I can choose one treasurer out of 8 in 8 different ways. Right? Now, this is the number of ways in which I can choose a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and a treasurer. What is left is the remaining 4 members, and out of 10, I have 7 left. So from these 7, I can choose 3. Remember, I'm doing a combination here and not permutation, because permutation also takes care of the arrangement. In this case, I'm not bothered about the arrangement. No matter how I arrange the committee members, it's going to be one particular committee, right? So that is going to be your answer, which basically means it's 10 into 9 into 8 into 7C. 4 additional, so 7C4 this is. But what I know is 7C4 is nothing but 7C3. We know that NCR is equal to NC n minus R. That's what I'm going to use. So if I proceed further with this, I'm going to have 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into which basically means that I can form 25,200 committees, which will have a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and a treasurer, and remaining 4 additional members out of 10 members. All right. Let's quickly look at the mark scheme here. A1 for getting to 25,200, and method 1 mark for actually doing the multiplication over here. And you would probably you would get a 1 mark over here for writing 7C4, and then for finding this out, you would get a 1 mark. So that's 4 marks for you. That's it for the video. Goodbye.